In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections and scroll points in Card.co. By the end, you'll know how to structure your page with clean sections and create links that jump visitors directly to the content they want. Start by opening your site in the editor. From your dashboard, click the site you want to edit. The builder will open with your page in the center and a settings panel on the right, which is where most of your controls live. Next, add a section. Click the Add Plus button and choose Section. Think of a section as a container for related content like an introduction, a services list, or a contact area. Breaking long pages into sections makes everything easier to read and navigate, especially on mobile. With the section selected, customize it in the right-hand panel. Adjust the background color to visually separate it from other areas. Even a subtle shade shift can make your layout feel organized. Tweak the padding to add breathing room around your text and images. More padding means more space, which usually improves readability. Explore the layout settings to control width and alignment so your content feels balanced and consistent. Visibility lets you show or hide a section on different devices or under certain conditions, which is handy for keeping mobile layouts clean. Now create a scroll point so visitors can jump straight to this section. Click the section, scroll down in its settings, and find the field labeled ID. Enter a simple, memorable ID like About, Contact, or Services. Stick to lowercase letters without spaces or special characters to avoid issues. This ID is the anchor your links will target. Linking to the scroll point is straightforward. Select the button, text, or menu item you want people to click. Open its link settings, choose URL, and type a hash followed by your ID, for example, #about. When someone clicks that link, the page will scroll to the section with the matching ID. If a link doesn't work, double check that the ID in the section and the hash in the link match exactly, including capitalization. Repeat this process for any other sections you want to navigate to, keeping your ID names consistent and descriptive so you can find them quickly later. Finally, save your work so every change sticks. Saving regularly ensures your sections, IDs, and links are preserved and ready for visitors. And that's it. You've organized your page with sections and added smooth scroll navigation, creating a cleaner, more intuitive experience for anyone browsing your site.